So today I would like to introduce you a pallet cleaning and a stacking equipment. The equipment features a roller conveyor that pushes a stack of pallets forward, and the pallets then enters a secure area enclosed by a machine guarding to ensure the safety of the personnel. Once inside the secure area, the pallets go through a pallet separator, where the pallets are separated individually from the stack. Following the initial manual dust removal step using an air gun, the pallets enter a dust removal device equipped with a powerful fans. These fans blow away dust, achieving effective pallet cleaning. The dirty air blown down enters the dust removal device for filtration and is then released in clean air. Since pallets should be clean on both sides, they go through a flipping device to rotate from 180 degrees to the back side. The pallets then move to the next station, where the back side is manual clean and dust removed by an air guns. The pallets then enter a second flipping machine to return them to their original position. The clean pallets proceed to the following two pallet stacking machines, where they are neatly stacked, making it easier for the personnel to transport the well-stacked pallets to their designated location with the forklift. So any questions, please contact us.